Hello everyone, this is an unexpected match. I was just goofing around. I'm in the Kagero, Northern Lights map. This is not a great boat. Decent torpedoes. I put the torpedo reload boost on it to see how well it works. It's okay. Anyway, like, subscribe, share with your friends, help me out if you can. Every little bit will be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to build this channel
Battle starts.
to something more than what it is. Just a crazy old fool playing computer games, eh? Help me out if you can. Anyway, to the match. Like I said, this is not a great boat. It's more of a torpedo boat than a gunboat. This whole match for me was kind of boring and dull until the very end. And I almost screwed that up. Just trying to build up my Japanese destroyer line. Before I have to go to work tonight. Playing a couple of games, get the points up so I can level up some of the ship to some better ships, I should say. Sure, I can talk today. And I've played this map several times today. I don't know why it keeps showing up, but there it is. It's a fairly decent map if you have good players, but if people don't know how to play this map, it can get ugly real quick. Got a cruiser behind me, battleship at the point, and a destroyer pushing the cap. Goliath behind me. That's not a bad boat. It got nerfed a while back, I guess. It's not what it used to be. It used to be a very dreaded gunboat. They did something to it. But I don't play cruisers much, our battleships, so they're just dull. Okay, trying the torpedo reload boost on the anticipation that somebody's going to come charging around that corner. That's a lot of torpedoes in the small area. And the Wisconsin comes about, so my torpedoes aren't even going to get close to him. And I went dark there for a minute. My brain just turned off for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. It happens. Wisconsin, you're not even getting close to him. I mean, Goliath. Everything Goliath's shooting is falling way short. Nice hit by our Wisconsin. Watch. Way short. You know, I'm doing my job right here. Just kind of watching, keeping the flank covered. Don't really want to get in a fight yet. Goliath overshot that time. He must be a green player, or he's having an off day. Keep that Wisconsin spotted. I don't have any smoke, so I don't have any choice. I can't do anything like smoke up for these guys. Ooh, he's on fire. That looks like that was overshot. And ooh, nice ricochet effect. Just in case he decides to park his ass on that mortar. These are wasted torpedoes, by the way. Torpedo reload boost will be ready about the same time as the torpedoes will be for the next show.
All stations, reporting the position of a strategic target.
And we're 5 minutes into the game and nobody's dead yet. Interesting.
Attention, reporting the target position.
So we got some really cautious players or some knowledgeable players. Venezia over there is bailing out. Oh, Holland got whacked on the other side of the map.
That was a great battle.
Nice job, guys. Renamed user. Huh, interesting name. Give myself away. Not like my A guns are any good. They don't do much damage. And going dark again. Don't want to get shot at. Smolensk on the other team is dead. Wisconsin got him. Our other Wisconsin. Ooh, our first death. Ooh, don't want to go there.
Enemy battleship detected.
Okay, torpedo reloads ready. Torpedoes are ready.
Provide anti-aircraft fire support.
And I'm not sure what the Essex is trying to do.
Attention, support that target. Attention, reporting the target position.
Give him a little bit more lead. Ooh, kid's got
Engine
spotted.
boost activated.
Why is
Our
he
team
shooting
is
armor
taking the lead.
piercing? He's just gonna get overpens. I should have led these torpedo shots a little bit more.
Torpedoes to port.
Hello, Wisconsin. Hello, Essex.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
That guy needs to die.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Ooh, what am I gonna get? I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. One. Did some damage though. Alright, this flank is getting a little too hot for my taste. Got 2 hits on something. I'm not sure what. Oh, that guy. The destroyer. Macklison, I guess it is. Cover this guy as he's going in. Doing alright though. I don't try to get too aggressive with this tub. It's not a great gunboat. It has good guns, but their turret speed is slow. I mean, molasses in January slow. This guy should push through right now. Wisconsin in front of me. Gap to the right. He's just gonna sit there.
Engine boost
I think
deactivated.
that's the wisest decision, but you know, that's up to him.
Torpedoes astern.
Got A aircraft. Like I said, for me, this match is pretty dull. Just trying not to get shot at.
Torpedoes to port.
Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. There's the kid.
Torpedoes to port.
I'm more worried about his guns than anything. That must be from the Macklison. And the Des Moines is in not a very good spot. See how these guns turn real slow? Let's give that Salem something to worry about. Our
Torpedoes
Wisconsin
astern.
bought it. And their lead load time is not that great either. And we're being flanked. That's what I'm thinking right now. Des Moines in trouble. Goliath isn't being much help right now. That's what I'm worried about. That and a cruiser over there. Yeah, Des Moines. That's another one they nerfed a while back, and it's not the terror it used to be. It used to be a deadly, deadly ship. Okay, we got the Kremlin. We're down 3. They're down 5. This is not the best move by the Goliath. Driving into a crossfire.
Victory is in sight.
And if you didn't know it was there, you should not be playing this game. And he drives right to torpedoes. And they miss. But the cross drop from the plane's got him. Alright. I'm gonna go spot this flank.
Engine boost activated.
I think I'm being clever, but I ended up giving them a position. You'll see. They're gonna sneak around that gap. Yep, Goliath
Our
dead.
victory is in sight.
That was a suicide run. Essex, the aircraft carrier, is gone. Good.
That's how it's done.
I like to see that. Our cruiser down there below C has got his hydroacoustic search going. To Wisconsin, he came about and is heading for the gap. Salem bought it. I should fire torpedoes right now, but I don't. And I'm not sure why. I could see that the battleship is going to the gap and the cruiser is already in the gap into the cap set. Cap D. And my team is falling apart. But we hold 3 caps and we're way, way ahead. So if we play it cautiously, we'll be alright. Yep, they got D. Got no shot at the Wisconsin. He's already in the gap between the islands. And our Wisconsin gets killed by the Colbert. I ain't sure where he was.
Engine boost deactivated.
Cossack and Holland are in good health. I'm in good health. There's the kid. He's going up against the Cossack and the Holland. That's what I'm hunting right now. And my one real mistake right here. I didn't slam on the brakes soon enough. Yep. Now I got no shot. And he ain't backing up now.
Enemy cruiser sighted. Enemy destroyer
His
sighted.
guns don't have a shot at me yet. Ooh, come on. Holland gets it. Colbert dies on the enemy team. Come on, baby. Come on. Reload faster. And there it is. That's what this whole video is about. He gets anal reamed by a Kagero. A mediocre battle destroyer at best. But like I said, I'm trying to work my way up the Japanese tech line. And I made 4th on my team. And that's more than all the other teammates. The enemy teammates. What'd he get? Arsonist. Burned somebody down. Cossack. Devastating strike. Close quarter expert. And first blood. The Golden Lou. Did good. Did real good. Dragon did okay. Or Essex. Dargax 1, whatever that name is. So, I did alright. I just like that ending. That's the only reason I'm showing this. I like that ending. I got 1 torpedo bomber. 75,000 plus spotting damage. Yeah, if it wasn't for that ending, I wouldn't have shown this video. It was boring the whole time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.